Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to mute or unmute the microphone on your headphones JBL Tune 510. And firstly you need to locate a multifunctional button what located at the right ear cup between volume up and volume down buttons. Right here we have it. Now, as you can see, I speak and here's these waves. It means that this microphone is unmute, because right now my phone uses a microphone from the headphones. If I press and hold this multifunctional button, right here, as you can see, I speak, but there is no waves, so we just mute it. And to unmute the microphone, you need to also press and hold at the multifunctional button. And now, as you can see, these waves return. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.